everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are actually doing a tutorial on how to unlock everything and also debug mode. So first, I have to restart all the acts now because I haven't done the full playthroughs. But first what you're going to want to do is reset saved games or all game data. You're going to actually want to do save games if you don't want to kind of erase all your medallions and stuff. So once you've done that, you want to press on the Zega thingy until you hear a ring sound. Do not press on it straight away. Press on it when it says tap any button. Tap anywhere to start. So right around here. I've already done it, but you will. And then you will see the super icon on the no save button. So to get the unlock everything and the debug mode, you're going to want to type this. The second one you could do by itself to basically just unlock debug mode, but you'll want to do both of the codes I'm going to say to unlock everything. So to unlock everything, you're going to want to type in 1 9 7 9 0 8 1, and that's one of them. And for everything else, and this is the one for debug, but you're gonna have to do this to get everything, unlock everything at the same time as well. 1 9 8 9 0 5 0 1. You hear that sound effect? You've unlocked basically everything. Also debug. See? You've unlocked basically everything. And in this video, to just keep it from being 2 minutes and 26 seconds, we are going to be messing around with this. We're going to be messing around with some stuff. So, you know what we're going to do? Go to the extras menu. And we have got every single medallion, so you know what we're going to do. Check out the dagon. This is a second sound test, but it actually has the stuff. And also, it doesn't really do anything, so I got to say. You can't tell what I'm doing right now, but I'm doing it. Let's get on with blue spheres. Hey, here's a little bit of history though. So back in 1994, there was a such thing as a lock-on technology called Sonic and Knuckles, which you could connect to your Sonic Genesis games if you locked Sonic and Knuckles on your Sonic 3 cartridge. You get Sonic 3 and Knuckles. If you logged on to Sonic 2, there'd be Knuckles in Sonic 2. But if you locked on in Sonic 1, you got Blue Spheres, which has over 1 million levels. I am not joking. This is like an endless. It's an endless Sonic game. Not basically endless, but it's like over 1,300,000 levels. And I forgot the number, so I can't really tell you. Gee, why does that have to be so fast? That was fun. Okay, Mean Bean. I've played this in Sonic Origins. Alright, man. Alright, man. Alright, I'm ready, Bev. See, I'm smart. I basically know what I'm doing. Which it is. But the controls are a bit trash. When I only had like a console port to Sonic Mania, there's only one thing about it that I never understood about the game. How do I rotate them? How could I rotate them? Now I know, because on mobile it's the jump button. That's how I rotate them. Back then I had no idea. I had absolutely zero idea. I thought it'd be like a simple hack thing to me. Well, not actually like a hack, I meant like a special, trying to get a special button to try and do it. I thought it was like a special button. Perfect? And there's something called being smart. You gotta be it. Okay, we could do it. We could do this. We could do this. Okay, yeah, we did it. Okay, I'm ready. It's a different colour. Fudge cake. Alright, this is perfect. This is not perfect. That was perfect. I popped in there on accident. God, do I hate this game. Okay. It's too risky to go and do anything anymore. Please just focus in. Come on. Get in, Puff, get in. What am I meant to do with this? I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I can't get a fudging grip. Give me a green. Finally, a green. Come on. Look good. Puyo. See? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. See? That's how we do. That's how we do. Does that mean I can... Wait, it says say debug mode's unlocked then. Does that mean I could speedrun my way back? Like, I mean, speedrun my way back to Starlight Speedway? I'm having way too much fun with debugging menus. We do not care, we've been through this before. Okay, I don't. Come on, I want debugging. Wasn't debugging allowed? Settings. Debug mode. I prefer Mania, honestly. And Knuckles. Okay, debug mode's on. Time to do something. Very illegal. Debug mode's on, right? It's only allowed in fudging mouses. You know, let's just end the video here. Okay, so we got debug mode. We can probably play with that a little bit in the next, like a few little videos of Mania. But hey, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.